Uh, an appointment by the president to an embassy or consulate or other diplomatic property, yes, is the jurisdiction of the United States federal government executive branch. Yes. Now, these individuals that you think you can dissolve the marriages of, you can't. See, it might be Superior Court judge in one county to a Superior Court judge in a different county. Yes, that is state jurisdiction. Let's go ahead. But this is the actual international jurisdiction of the United Nations. And you violated international law. Now I'm suing you for not taking into consideration, yes, that the individual that was employed as the signature of the registrar, yes, had to go through a process of employment in the United Nations. And I would say having the authority of the international United Nations means that their international authority to issue marriages, yes, dissolutions of marriage, means that you as a state, county, superior court have superseded the authority of international law. Now, I've asked you to remove it because I want a divorce. Yes. And when you decided to dissolve this, you violated international law. Now, as much as you think as a state that you have the same authority as any nation of the world, you don't. Now, the United States of America, yes, has an obligation to enforce, yes, the authority of the United Nations. And we were married on December 18th of 2000 in Jakova, and in the non-existent nation of Kosovo. Now, this is an actual signature of Heidi Lee Budnick. Oh, that's the actual signature of the woman that I married. Yes. When I ask you as a county to find every forgery on every court document, the use of that signature as proof of identity is the international jurisdiction of the signature of Heidi Lee Budnick. Now, for this little county to decide that they have more authority than every nation of the world, I don't think you understand how much of this is going to cost. Now, the consular marriage, yes, can be performed because of the diplomatic official, yes, of the United States. And consular marriages are recognized in some jurisdiction. Exactly where is a United Nations marriage recognized as a jurisdiction? The International State Department of each and every nation of the world that happens to be a member state of the United Nations. Now, for the state of Washington, I want you to enforce your authority as a state right now because I'm going to sue this state for thinking that they have the authority of any nation of